How to fix app not responding after screen lock. When an app stops responding after you lock and unlock your phone, this issue is usually caused by battery optimization, background activity restrictions, or RAM management. To solve this, disable battery optimization for the app. Open Settings and go to Apps. Click on the app that you are facing problem with. Inside the app, if you scroll down under the section Usage, click on Battery. Inside, you will see three options. Make sure that you select the option Unrestricted. Go back to your settings and click on the option Battery. Inside, select the option Background Usage Limits. Here you will see the option Put Unused Apps to Sleep. Make sure to turn that option off. Also, go to the option Deep Sleeping Apps. If you find the app here, then make sure to remove it. To remove, simply tap and hold on the app. Then select the option Remove at the bottom right corner. Now go back and go to the search bar on the top. Search for Adaptive Battery. Click on the first option. Now turn off Adaptive Battery. Click on the switch icon to turn it off. That's all for today. Thank you.